Good morning, dear students. Today's topic is Roman numbers. The Romans used only 7 symbols to write any number. In the list below, I have given the Hindu Arabic notation and Roman notation and their comparative numbers. For I in Roman symbol, Hindu Arabic notation represents 1. For V it is 5. For X it is 10. For L it is 50. For C, that is century, for 100. For D, this is 500. For millennium it is 1000. Various combinations of these 7 symbols are used to create numbers. Students, now we shall learn some rules to write Roman numbers. Rule number 1, repetition of a symbol means addition. Here you can see the symbol is repeated. So it will be 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. Here also X and X, the symbol is repeated. So for X we know that in decimal it is 10. For this symbol I have to add 10 to this symbol. 10 plus 10 is 20. We do not repeat the symbols V, L and D. We do not write VV like this. We do not write LL. We do not write DD. So you have to remember this. We do not repeat symbols V, L and D. Number 2, Roman numeral of smaller value written on right of the Roman numeral of a greater value is added to the numeral of greater value. So here you can see this is having value 5, this is 1 and this is 1. This is having greater value 5 and this is written in the right side of the greater value. Therefore, these two will be added to 5. So it is 1 plus 1. This is 1 plus 1 equal to 7. For this, C is 100. This is greater than this. So this is 10. And this is greater than this. So this is addition. So it will be 1, 1, 1. Here also you can see this is repetition of the symbols. Therefore, we have to add this plus this, and on the right side this is a smaller value, so we have to add this smaller value. So it will be equal to 21. In this way, you have to write the Roman numbers. Rule number 3, a Roman numeral of smaller value written on the left of a Roman numeral of greater value is subtracted from the numeral of greater value. Here you can see it is a greater value, it is having greater value, it is having smaller value, and it is written on the left side of the greater value. Therefore, its value will be this value minus this value. X is 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. For this, D represents 500. It is written on the left side of the greater value. C is 100. C is less than D. So 500 minus the value of C, that is 100 century. So 500 minus 100 is 400. V, L and D, or I can say 5, 50 and 500 are never subtracted. We cannot subtract the value of 5, 50 and 500. V or 5, 50 and 500 are never written on the left of a greater value. That means you cannot write V5 before 10. You cannot write 50 before 500. Rule number 4. If a Roman numeral of smaller value placed between two Roman numerals of greater values, its value is subtracted from the value of the symbol on its right. That means if a smaller value is in between two greater values, what we have to do? We have to subtract this value from this and add to this. That means x is 10 plus, from this value we have to subtract this. So 5 minus 1, which is equal to 10 plus 4 equal to 14. For this also, this is repetition of the symbols. So 10 plus 10, then this between these two greater values, one is smaller, so we have to subtract this 1 from this 5 plus 5 minus this 1, which will be equal to 24. There are some points you should remember. 1 can be subtracted from 5 and 10 only. 10 can be subtracted from 50 and centuries or 100. 100 can be subtracted from 500 and 1000 only. These are the important points you have to remember. Now we shall solve some problems. Write the Roman numerals for the following: 586 and 444. 586, I can write it as 500 plus 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1. Remember that you have to represent this number with the 7 symbols. So we have a symbol in Roman numericals. For this we have, for this also we have, for this we have, and for this we have. Therefore, I can use these decimal numbers only to break this number. So in place of 500, we have the symbol D in Roman numerals. For 50, it is L. For 10, it is next 10. For next 10, it is. For 5 and for 1, it is the. So for 586, the Roman notation is this. For 444, that is 444 is 500 minus 100 plus 50 minus 10 plus 4. So 500 is D minus 100. If I write this before 500, if I write 100 before 500, then it will represent 400 plus 50 is this, minus 10 is this, plus 4 is nothing but 5 minus 1, so 1 and 4. So this will be the symbol for this. Write the following in Hindu-Arabic notation. For this, number 1, DCL, that is 500 plus 100 plus 50, it is equal to 650. Number 2, XV, it is 50 plus 10 plus 5, that is 65. So these are the values we get after conversion.